Welcome back to the channel. If you have a low-end PC and always wanted to play classic PlayStation 2 games without lag, then this video is exactly for you. In this 2026 step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to play PS2 games on low-end PCs using the PCSX2 emulator with the best settings for smooth performance. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss gaming tutorials, emulator guides and performance tips like this. Now let's get started. First of all, open any web browser on your PC. Now navigate to the PCSX2.net website. This is the official website of the PCSX2 PlayStation 2 emulator. So always make sure you download it from the official source for safety and the latest updates. From here, click on the latest stable version to download the most stable and recommended release. Now select the Windows installer option. It will start downloading the installer file to your computer. After the downloading is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the installer file. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator to avoid any permission issues during installation. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to install the PS2 emulator on your system. The installation process is simple and straightforward. After it is complete, you may restart your system for best performance, but I will continue without restarting for now. Now run the PCSX2 emulator as administrator. From here, select your preferred language. You can also choose the emulator theme according to your personal preference. Next, you have to add a BIOS file. PCSX2 does not come with a BIOS file due to legal issues, so you need to download it separately. You can search for a PS2 BIOS file on any web browser and download it from a trusted source. After downloading, extract the file if it is in zip or RAR format. Now open the extracted folder and find the bios.rom file. The file name may be slightly different, but make sure the file extension is .rom. Now open the PCSX2 BIOS directory folder and paste the BIOS file into that folder. After pasting the BIOS file, go back to the emulator setup and refresh the BIOS list. You will now see the BIOS file displayed. Simply select it and click Next to continue. Now you need to add your game directory. First, download your PS2 games and place them inside one folder for better organization. I currently have only one game, but you can add multiple games in the same folder. From here, you can connect your controllers or use your keyboard for controls. If you want the full PS2 gaming experience, I recommend using a controller. You can also connect two controllers if you want to play multiplayer games with your friends. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the PS2 emulator on your PC. Now let's review some important settings so your games can run more smoothly and with better performance. Click on Settings, then click on Graphics. In the Graphics API drop-down menu, you can select Direct3D11, Direct3D12 or Vulkan for better graphics performance. If you have a powerful GPU, you can also select OpenGL or Direct3 D12 for enhanced visual quality. After selecting the API, choose your dedicated GPU from the list if available. PCSX2 also includes a widescreen option. In the aspect ratio drop-down menu, select the widescreen 16:9 option. Then click on Apply Widescreen Patches to enable widescreen support in compatible games. Now open Settings again and click on the Controller option. Click on Not Connected, then select DualShock 2 configuration. The keys are already pre-configured, but you can edit them according to your preference for a more comfortable gaming experience. Now double-click on any game from the list to run it. You can also switch to full screen mode for a better gaming experience. Now enjoy your gameplay and relive the classic PS2 experience directly on your PC.
I give up. I lose.
If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell icon so you never miss the latest tutorials, gaming guides and tech updates. Thanks for watching.